Hello everyone, my name is Ning Prativito Singde. I'm a student in Tugu Maroso University, Faculty of Teacher Training and Education. In this video, I will explanation about the article titled Vocabulary Learning Strategies Used by the Student of SMP Kartika Banda Aceh by Julie Maulidar, Hijatul Kamaria, and Saryakin, Universitas Bina Bangsa Getsempena. Why is this research necessary and how will it contribute to existing knowledge or practices? Based on the article, this research focuses on examining the strategies used by students in learning vocabulary. So, this research is needed to find out what strategies are used by students in learning vocabulary, so as to increase their vocabulary so that they are able to speak English. What theoretical framework guides this study and how does it inform the research hypothesis? In the findings of this research, the researcher describes all the research findings that have been found for the vocabulary learning strategies used by students. There are several strategies that students use in learning vocabulary adapted from Norbert Smith and Dean Ray Smith. Based on this theory, researchers found many strategies used by students in learning English vocabulary. So, this theory underlies the research hypothesis, namely that the researcher focuses on examining the strategies used by students, and the results of the research are thoroughly in accordance with the existing theory. How is the research approach aligned with the research problem and what methodological strategies are employed? Alignment between quantitative analysis approaches and research hypotheses. In this article, the researcher took a sample of 30 students in class 8 and the number was less than 100. The researcher chose all students to be the sample for this research. And in collecting data, the methodological strategy used was to distribute questionnaires to students. What research design is utilized and how does it support the achievement of research objectives? Based on the article I read, researchers use a survey research design by distributing questionnaires to students to achieve research objectives. What methods and instruments are used for data collection and how are they validated? The method used by researchers is a quantitative method and questionnaire is used as an instrument. Which data analysis methods are employed and how do they facilitate the interpretation of findings? The data analysis method used is a quantitative method. The following is the strategy used by researchers. Firstly, the researcher gave the questionnaire to the student as respondents to obtain the data. This questionnaire contained some statements in measuring the vocabulary learning strategies used by the second grade student of SMP Kartika Banda Aceh. Then, the data are categorized and arranged in detailed information about its source of data content and information that related to the vocabulary learning strategies. After that, the process is continued into data analyzing, which intended to analyze the data materials found in the vocabulary learning strategy used by the second grade students at SMP Kartika Banda Aceh. That's all my explanation. Thank you and goodbye.